Last Saturday, my mom told me it was time to organize my wardrobe. I groaned loudly when she said it. "Do I have to?" I asked. "Yes," Mom laughed. "You have too many clothes you don't wear anymore." At first, I thought it would be the most boring job ever. My wardrobe was full of old clothes, messy drawers, and socks without pairs. But Mom gave me 3 big boxes: keep, donate, and throw away. I started pulling everything out. Soon, my bed was covered with clothes. First, I found a blue hoodie my grandma gave me for my birthday 2 years ago. I loved that hoodie because I wore it on our school camping trip. But now the sleeves were too short. Then I found my favorite green t-shirt with a dinosaur on it. It still fit, but it had a big hole near the bottom because I ripped it while climbing a tree with my friends. After that, I picked up a pair of black jeans. They were way too tight now. I also found an old red sweater from my aunt. It was warm and soft, but now it looked too loose and stretched out. At the bottom of the wardrobe, I discovered a yellow raincoat that my dad bought for me during a family trip. It still looked nice, but it didn't fit anymore. Then I laughed when I found my old school uniform shorts. They were so small now that I could barely believe I used to wear them. As I kept organizing, I found many single socks without pairs. Some were under the bed, some inside shoes, and one was somehow inside a jacket pocket. I never found the matching socks. While I cleaned, I started remembering funny moments from many of the clothes. Suddenly, organizing my wardrobe didn't feel boring anymore. Mom helped me separate the clothes that were still in good condition. We folded the hoodies, shirts, pants, and jackets neatly into the donate box. When we finished, my wardrobe looked clean and organized. But I also noticed something important. I really needed some new clothes. Most of my pants were too short, and I only had some shirts that still fit well. "Looks like someone is growing fast," Mom joked.